Alright, you guys, we back at it. I ain't learned my lesson last night coming home. It was 32 degrees. But doggone it, it's 60 something right now. I got to pick and choose my battles. It's about 45 minutes to work. But it is such a nice day. I have to grit and growl on the way home, but that is all right. I am on my way home, and I can just jump on the bike and put on my old heated gear and take it on in. By the way, this is Slappy with Slappy Adventures, and I'm going to work, and I'm riding the old F6B on in now, and I'm going to introduce my intro at this particular time. Yay!
All right, y'all ready? Here we go. Ride with me. It's lappydog. Let me know what you like about this video or not like.
Yeah, I have been getting away from my intro a little bit. I need to shorten it down. Some of that vloggers, I don't know. I need to shorten it down. But I'm only running one camera, which is my 10C Pro. Here lately, I guess I'm being lazy, but I'm just going to work. It ain't nothing spectacular. Just get on here and run my mouth, talk to myself. During this new time of leaving, I find myself into a little bit more traffic than as before. And that is all right. We'll just have to stay on our P's and Q's and stay in front of it, not behind it. But I have to stop and grab me some lunch from my old trusty Subway sandwich making place because I was lazy and didn't make me no lunch. So, going by the airport, McGee Tyson down here on the Alcoa Highway, what I nickname I'll Kill Ya Highway. And these cars are ready that they're gonna come out, so I have to use my blinker wisely. Cause you put that blinker on, they think you about to go in that hole, but you're really trying to go in this hole. See if we can, they're gonna order us something good. It ain't gonna be like pulling teeth to get it to me. Getting back on that highway, what's gonna be the trick? That's what's gonna be the trick, you guys. Let's see how these Subway folks, is acting today. They're usually real good people. Hello? Hello? So bike don't make enough noise though. I'm gonna have 1 foot long on wheat, please.
I'm sorry?
1 foot long on wheat.
1 foot long on wheat, all right. What's going to be going on this sandwich?
I want a steak and cheese double steak.
Alright, and what kind of cheese?
Make it cheddar.
Alright, would you like it toasted?
Please.
Alright, I'm going to put this in the toaster and get this ready, and then I'll come back for your veggies.
Alright.
While this is toasting, would you like any chips, mix, or cookies?
Yeah, let me have a bag of Doritos, regular, the cheese.
Nacho?
There you go, nachos.
Yes.
And give me 6 of your shortcake cookies.
6 of our, what was it?
Raspberry shortcake is
Alright, okay. Alrighty, if that's going to be all, you can go ahead and pull forward. I'm going to get this ready for you.
You get the veggies?
Oh, I'm talking about like I'm ringing you up. I'm going to get your veggies, like. Oh.
I guess you want me to come up here. Which that is alright too.
It's her first day, excuse her.
That's
Okay, what kind of veggies do you want, honey?
I want just a little lettuce, tomato, pickle, and mayonnaise. Trying to give me a naked sandwich. Gotta put some clothes on that thing.
It's cold out there right now. It's gonna be 1925.
Oh, could y'all wrap that up separately too, by the way? No. Who, me? I usually get it on my way to work. I'm a regular. I hadn't seen y'all before though. Huh? You have? I'm a regular. What they call a regular. Nah, ain't nothing wrong with it. Nah, I try not to come in. I got to go to work. Dog, if I come in there and be ready to go home, go to sleep.
I know you come through here one day and you had your brain.
Yeah, that was my wild day. When I got it braided, that's my alter ego. That is my alter ego. Yeah. That's what you call it, raspberry shortcake. You know what I mean. I mess it up every time. I know what I won't do. Ain't she still an Alcoa cheerleader? You don't do it no more? Oh, okay. I'm Tank's dad. Yeah. Is that right? You got me right?
I've seen you before.
Yeah. Really? Hold on. Marshawn? Only one I know is Dante. How old is he? 4. Okay, that's probably why. Yeah, I live right beside his mom.
Well, you can't really see him. There's that one.
There he is. Well, congratulations, I guess. Like 4 years ago, huh?
I'll show you a better picture.
Oh, he started over. That's Marshawn all right now. I can see him. Does he really? Yeah. Well, that's all right. You better hope he don't get his height. That comes off his daddy's side. Is it really? Whew, his daddy was tall, and the Marshawn didn't get it, but Dante Show got it. Put him in some sports. Thank you. All right, let's see how in the blue blazes we're gonna get across this highway today. I'm gonna have to put all this 1800 to the test. We got to do like we did on the drag strip. Woo, that wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad for old country boy. That wasn't too bad for old country boy. This is what I got to deal with going to work at this time of the day. Come next year, though, I'm going to pump it up at about 6 o'clock p.m. I'll be leaving my house about 4 and getting about an hour jump on this right here. Hi, you guys. This is turning out to be longer, but that's my Subway. They always been good to me. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.